Hey, this is Marco. In this video I'm going to show you how to check your PayPal account country. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. Open up your PayPal. Once you open up PayPal, you want to go to the top left on your profile icon, and from there you want to click on personal info, and then you want to click on the addresses, the see all. So you want to click on see all, and once it loads up, it's going to give you the address you have here. And basically from here you can always change your address, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you can just change like your PayPal country, because I think that PayPal, it's basically the same in all of the countries. Maybe you just want to change your address because you moved, but generally no need to change your PayPal account country. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.